It's always the med spa. It's like, come get a facial. We'll get you a facial. Where are the doctors? Where are the...
As a women's health educator and PCOS girly, I gotta agree with you here. While I love the products and the brands that I partner with, I am dying for an IV infusion. My iron is so low, all I wanna do is go to one of them places I do the IVs and get one for iron. But no, I got people in my DM asking if I wanna push some gummies. And I'm grateful, okay? And I know a lot of these things are needed. But baby, do you know the partnership that we could create with IV infusions? Because a lot of people don't know about that.